Hi everyone! Welcome! If you love bags and as she's designer or not, please do consider subscribing to this channel, hit on the notification bell, and together, let's enjoy these beautiful pieces. So today I'll be sharing with you another unboxing. It is from the brand Secosana. But before that, I will quickly show you how I do my nails. This is a requested video tutorial by my friend Angelina Maricar Gutiza. Thank you, Angelina, for suggesting this one. She wanted me to do a video of how I do my nails. And I'm really sorry I'm not a professional in doing these things. I just want to share with you how I do mine. I'm not really good at painting my nails. That's why I opted for this option to use this acrylic stick-ons, and this is how like I'm wearing a makeup on my hands. So you can see this is my hands without anything on, and it looks really dry. And being a mom and always doing household chores, this is what it did to my hands. So I really need to use these things. So I'm using this one acrylic nail stick-ons, and I also have this ones. And the first thing that I do is I measure them. So like this one, I have placed them in front of me, all the measurements that each of my fingernails should be of the same size. You have to look for the sizes there because there are many different sizes inside a box. And then I place them in a pill box. I bought this one. This is for the pills, for the medicines. But I have already measured them on my fingers, and this will be easier for me when I need to put them on my finger. I just have to choose from the colors that I wanted to use. And also, when you buy this kind, they have this glue, nail glue, included in the package. I have used this before. If you have wanted to use this nails for a long time, this is very effective. But when you remove it, that damaged this part of my nails, so I really don't use it anymore. So I found another option, this one, the nail tabs, sticker tabs, that works better for me. And I also bought this from the store where I bought these things, and I will link them below. I'm pretty sure Amazon and Walmart also sells these things, and if you want interested, I will also find links similar to this one, but these ones are from Shopee. So to save time, I already did look for the same size as my fingernails, already arrange that for you, and then we'll go ahead and put these tabs, sticker tabs. Look at my nails, they're so dry because of the housework. So I know this is my size. I have to put this, and like that. So now I did the same on the other side. So I already have I placed all the sticker tabs in all my fingernails, and now we have to remove this one. So that is the sticker. Now I've placed them all, and I have removed the plastic on top of each of them. So now we'll put the the nails. Started from this biggest one. So they also have numbers on top of each of them. So this is what for my first finger, the biggest finger. So there, just press it, and on the other side as well, just press it, press. So that is how it looks like. So now I have successfully installed them all, placed them all on my fingers, and look how it changed the look on my hands. They seem to be look longer, and I'm using this like using makeup on my fingers, and I really like it. And another trick that I found, if you don't want to use the sticker tabs that we have placed, is to use a nail polish. When you apply the nail polish, and then you press this until it dries. So this sticker, I mean this acrylic nails would last longer in your hands, but I haven't tried it yet. But that is another, instead of using this one, I really don't recommend this one. So let's put this aside. So now here is the unboxing. We have this from the brand Secosana. Secosana is a famous brand of bags here in the Philippines, and they have been in the Philippines for so many years already. They are manufacturing bags with quality and design and style, and I saw this and I immediately wanted to get it. So this one is from the Alex Gonzaga collection. So Alex Gonzaga is a very famous Filipino celebrity from showbiz, and also a very famous vlogger, YouTube vlogger. And I saw this one under her collection, and this is in color gray. I immediately got it. And this is from the 6.6 sale of Shopee, and this retails for $999.75, but I only got it for 600 pesos. Plus I was able to avail my coins that I have been saving from shopping from Shopee, and I think I paid for 550 for this bag. And this is Alex Gonzaga, if you don't know her, and she's the latest endorser of Secosana. And their bag, this bag comes in maroon, rose, gray, taupe, and beige, but I opted for the gray. Initially I wanted to have the taupe or the pink or the rose, but they don't have any stock anymore, so I opted for this color instead. But it is also very beautiful. I like it. This bag looks very simple, but this one is its design feature. This chains that looks very elegant to me, and it has this top handle, and you can also carry it using crossbody. So first let's open inside. It has a zipper area, very smooth zippers. So the inside has this big space to put your things inside. I think I can put many things inside this one. It looks very, very spacious. And this one, this material, like a leather, faux leather material, is the same material that they put inside of this one, so you can easily wipe it as well. So let's see the other details. So they have this gold zipper pull. Let's remove the plastic. Okay, so this also has their brand, Secosana and Alex, because this is under Alex Gonzaga's collection. So very elegant looking. I really like that. So this is just a simple bag. I really like it, and I think this color would fit any outfit because this is very neutral. This is like a light gray color. I like it. I'm happy with this purchase. Very, very happy with this purchase. I really hope they put a pocket at the back portion. You easily get things like your ID or your phone probably, but that's okay. It is just a simple design with this classy details, gold details. Key. I like it. I really like it. I really wish they have the pink, but I am still happy with this one. So besides this one, I also got another thing from them. This is a bag disinfectant by Speedster, also from Secosana. I just bought 50 ml, and this one is a bag disinfectant specially formulated to sanitize or disinfect bags made out of leather, canvas, and any other materials. So leather, which means faux leather, is also, and the actual leather. So this is the ingredients: the ionized water, glycerin, quaternary ammonium. So the directions: spray literally on bags, shoes, okay. I've been searching for a bag disinfectant because before I have sprayed alcohol on my faux leather bag and it ruined it. So I don't know what to use because alcohol is really very, very strong disinfectant liquid. So I'm happy to have discovered this one, bag disinfectant from Secosana, and now I can use my faux leather items, material, so that bags, and I can easily sanitize them. So this is from Secosana and it smells nice too. I have smelled it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to thank God for all these beautiful blessings. See you next time. Bye.